Susmir, and thank you very much for coming along with me, and very good evening to all. From today I'm going to start one new video series, and that is IELTS May 2021 to August 2021 cue cards with your follow-up questions, ideas and answers, so that in your examination, if you get these cue cards, you may not suffer. Okay, what shall I speak? I don't have the idea. Okay, I'm going to share with you. So it's my request to you just to subscribe this channel, so that every day when I just upload any of the new cue card with answer, with ideas and follow-up questions, you do not miss it. My today's topic is describe the time or the situation when you told truth to your friend, and that truth was very important. The cues are like what was the truth, who your friend is, and what was your friend's reaction, and explain why it was important to say truth to your friend. Yes, now starting. See, listen me carefully. I'm going to start. If any problem, you just write me down in the comment box. Thank you very much, ma'am or sir, for giving me this topic to speak on. And my topic is describe the time or the situation when I told truth to my friend, and it was very important. Well, I know that relationships are very, very important. And sometimes in relationships, the person has to tell lie also. But I'm not that sort of person. What I think that telling lie can spoil our relationships. But many times we are like helpless. Yeah. The situation was to me also, the time was to me also. I suffered also from the same situation. When I was in confusion, I was in dilemma that whether to tell lie or say truth. Yeah, 2 years back, I remember that when our exams were over, we 5 friends planned a party at my home. But unluckily, one of my friend, who is my childhood friend also, and not only my friend, like my brother also, he had an argument with his father and planned to have night stay at my home. So anyhow, our party was over, and at night time by 12 o'clock, means my other 3 friends, they went back to their homes, and Rohan and I just went to sleep because we were very much tired. Actually, Rohan has a habit to switch off his phone at night time before going to bed. By 1 o'clock approximately, I got a call of Rohan's mother. And when I picked up the call, she was crying and calling us to home. I got shocked. I asked, but she was crying, and while crying only said that Rohan's father got heart attack and he had expired. So I really got shocked. I just said, Rohan, okay, let's go to your home. When he asked, I was not willing to say him truth on the spot, but on force, I had to say him the truth. Immediately, he got shocked. He fainted. He was crying a lot. We have family relations. So with my parents, Rohan and I went to his home. So this was really the bitter truth I had to say to Rohan, my best friend. So guys, in this manner, you have to speak the cue card. I suggest you be real. Don't speak like a student as if you have crammed anything. Now let's go with follow-up questions. First question is, do you think people should always speak the truth? Well, what I think, ma'am, it depends on the situation. I know that speaking truth is a good habit, and our parents always teach us, okay, speak the truth. What I think that sometimes telling lie is better than speaking truth. For example, situations when there's a question of somebody's death and life, when there's a question of somebody's relationships, then at that time truth should not be spoken. So all the time speaking truth is not possible. Now second question is, how do you know when others are telling the truth? Actually, ma'am, I'm a very good face reader, and I can judge the other person's tone also. So when others are speaking the truth or they are telling the lie, I first read the opposite person's face expressions, or I counter question them also, and I just listen them very carefully and try to judge their tone of speaking. These are the ways that I can judge that other persons are speaking the truth or they are telling the lie. Now last question is, sometimes people should tell the lie. Do you agree or disagree? Yeah, of course, ma'am. As I said to you before, that there are some situations when people should tell lie or people have to tell lie. When there's a question of somebody's death or life, when there's a question of maintaining relationships, then people should tell lie. So these are the ways that you can give answers to the follow-up questions or to the cue cards also. Now any any problem, comment me in the comment box. Bye bye, take care and best of luck for your exam.